everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel I Fateh Singh. I am Kamal Gadani. Today we are going to discuss chapter 9, exercise 9th of 9th standard. Let's start from the example. Now we are going to solve 9th sum of 9a. In this sum it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram, and we know that the opposite side of parallelogram are equal. AB is equal to DC, AB is equal to CD, and AD is equal to BC, and AD is equal to BC, because the opposite side of parallelogram are equal. Parallelogram are equal. Next thing is given that E is the midpoint of BC. E is midpoint of BC. It means this side BE is equal to EC. BE is equal to EC. Now it is given in our sum, prove that the triangle, in the first part we will prove that the triangle DCE congruent to LBE. DCE, this triangle congruent to LBE. We will prove that these two triangles are congruent. First of all, this angle, these two angles are equal because they are vertical opposite angle. Its name is angle DEC is equal to BEL, angle BEL. Reason is vertical opposite angle. First thing is clear. Second thing is that these two sides are equal because it is already given E is the midpoint, therefore BE is equal to EC. BE is equal to EC. Reason is that E is midpoint of BC. And third thing is that DCB, these two angles are alternative angle because this is parallelogram, these two lines are parallel, and this is the intersecting line. Therefore these two angles are alternative angle. Angle DCB is equal to LBE, LBE or LBC, LBC. They are alternative angle. There are two angles are equal and one side is equal. By angle side angle criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle DCE congruent to triangle LBE. This is the first part of our sum. Next is the second part, is that we will prove that AB is equal to BL. AB is equal to BL. From the first part we have that DC is equal to BL because these two triangles are congruent and the corresponding sides of congruent triangles are equal by CPCT. These two sides are equal, and it is given that AB is equal to BL. These two sides are equal and DC is equal to AB. DC is equal to AB because from the first part it is parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. From 1 and 2, left hand side is equal, therefore right hand side should be equal. Left hand side is equal, there should be right hand side should be equal. It means BL is equal to AB. This is the second part. Repeat it. because these two triangles are equal, it means DC is equal to BL. This is the first part, DC is equal to BL. Second part, AB is equal to DC. Its reason is that they are congruent triangles. Its reason is that it is parallelogram, opposite sides are equal. DC is equal to BL, DC is equal to AB. Left hand side is equal, therefore right hand side is equal. And in the third part, it is already given that DC is equal to BL and DC is equal to AB. This is 1 and this is 2. Add 1 and 2. Add 1 and 2. DC plus DC. This is BL plus AB. DC plus DC, 2DC. Now BL, when we add BL plus AB, BL plus AB, this is total side AL, and this is the solution of 9 sums third part. Next is the 11th sum of 9th A. In this sum it is given that AB is parallel to FD and AC is parallel to GE. This is given, and it is already given that BD is equal to CE. And now we are going to prove first part, that BG is equal to DF. We will prove that. First of all, check that BG is the side of this triangle and DF is the side of this triangle. We take these two triangles. First of all, we take this triangle, and in the second we take this triangle, so that we clear it. Because these two triangles are equal, it means these two angles are equal, they are corresponding angle. In triangle BGE, and second triangle is DFC. It is given that angle BGE is equal to DFC. They are corresponding angle. Because these two triangle lines are parallel, these two angles are corresponding. And next thing is that these two lines are also parallel. It means this angle is equal to this angle. Its name is angle BEG is equal to FCD. It is also corresponding angle. And third thing, it is given that BD is equal to EC. It is given in our statement BD is equal to CE. And this part is common in both sides. When we add DE in both sides, BD plus DE, it will give us BE, and when we add DE in the CE, it will give us DC. It means these two sides are equal. Two angles of these two triangles are equal and one side is equal. By angle side angle criteria, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle BGE congruent to triangle DFC, and we know that these two triangles are congruent. It means their corresponding sides should be equal. BG is equal to DF. Therefore BG is equal to DF by CPCT. And second part, we will prove that CF, this is the CF is equal to EG. This side is equal to this side and this side is equal to this side. CF is equal to EG, also CPCT, because these two are the corresponding sides and these two are the corresponding sides of these two triangles. This is the solution of 11th sum. We are going to prove 13th sum of 9th A. This is the diagram which is given, and it is already given that BL is equal to CM. BL is equal to CM. This is given, and we will prove that AD is the median. AD is the median. Prove that AD is median. We know that the median is the line which cut the opposite line into equal part. We should prove that BD and DC are equal. We will prove BD is equal to DC. For this, we will prove these two triangles, BLD and DCM congruent. We will prove these two triangles are congruent. First part is this angle is equal because vertical opposite angle. Angle BDL. BDL is equal to CDM, vertical opposite angle. And second thing is that this is 90 and this is 90. Angle BLD is equal to CMD because 90. And third thing which is given that BL is equal to CM, which is already given in the statement. BL and CM, two angles are equal, one side is equal. By angle side angle, these two triangles are congruent. Triangle BLD congruent to triangle CMD. These two triangles are congruent. It means their corresponding sides are equal. This side is equal to this side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. Therefore, BD is equal to CD by CPCT. If these two sides are equal, it means this is the midpoint. Therefore, D is midpoint. If D is the midpoint, AD is the median. Therefore, AD is median of triangle ABC. This is the complete solution of the 15th sum of 9th A. This is the diagram. In this diagram, it is given that these two lines are parallel. AB and EF are parallel. It means these two angles will be alternative angle and these two angles should be equal. In triangle ABC, and second triangle is DEF. First thing is that ABC, angle ABC is equal to angle EFD. Its reason is alternative angle. And second thing is this, these two angles are already given equal. Its name is ACB. Angle ACB is equal to angle EDF. It is given in the statement. And third thing is that these two sides are already equal. It is given AC is equal to DE. It is already given. Two angles are given, one side is equal. It means by angle side angle, these two triangles are congruent. triangle ABC congruent to triangle DEF. These two triangles are equal. First part we will prove that AB is equal to EF. AB is equal to EF. Because these two triangles are congruent, it means corresponding sides should be equal. AB is equal to EF by CP CT. And second thing is BD and CF. We will prove that BD is equal to CF. First of all, because these two triangles are equal, it means their corresponding sides are equal. This side BC is equal to this side DF. BC is equal to DF. Its region is CPCT, corresponding side. These two sides are equal and it is given that DC is the common part. DC is the common part. We will subtract DC, both of them, because these two sides are equal and this is the common part. If we subtract common part, there should be no any difference. When we subtract DC from the BC में से अगर हम DC subtract करेंगे तो BD, and DF में से DC subtract करेंगे तो CF, जो हमने प्रूफ करना है. That is the answer.
Thanks for watching. Keep supporting and share the video.